Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a tour on the University of the West Indies campus in Mono. So we're actually on Ring Road now, driving around the campus. This is our one way. So on the left is the Mono School of Business Management. On the right is the Norman Manley Law School. So if we turn left at this, actually we can turn left. It's a two-way road. You would, if you wanted to enter the University Hospital from the campus, you would turn here and go up to the gate. I'm just showing you the buildings up here. I think up here on the left, that's a call center building, which is actually a very good idea. You have the students who want to work and go to school at the same time. They would use the call center is actually located on the campus. Actually, okay, actually I don't know if this building looks like it's more than a call center, but if anybody knows what goes on with this building, you can let us know. Well, I said earlier there's no KFC, no Burger King on campus, but actually there is one. We just passed one right there. Right when we turn here, there's one straight in front. So there is a Burger King, so I apologize for that. Alright, we're gonna, so if we had turned left here, we would exit the campus onto the university compound, but we're going back down to Ring Road and continue to drive around. Okay, this looks like it was somebody's Labor Day project, but I don't think it's finished. There's still a hole in the road, but some patching went on. Alright, so if we turn left here, we would go towards some dorms, the Elsa Leo Ryan Hall, and they have some of the newer dormitories. Now if we turn left here, this is Taylor Hall. And here now we have the UWI Lions Club Center for Students with Special Needs. But there's a KFC over here, Jamaica National Bank, Little Caesars, also a Scotia Bank. I'm surprised at how empty the campus is. I don't know if they're on break already. It's June. No, actually we're still in May, the last week of May. Not sure why the campus is so empty. Usually it's buzzing with activity. I don't know if they're on break already. Can't imagine they would get break so soon though. I don't know if they've gone back to online because of COVID. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section below. But it's very strange that the campus is so empty. I know the COVID numbers have been rising in Jamaica, but I haven't heard of schools going back to online. So I don't know if anybody knows. You can leave a message. Is UA back online, or is the school on a break? Is the semester over? Alright, we're going to exit the campus now. So we entered, they gave us a card. And now that we're leaving, we have to give the security back the card so that we can leave. It's a very large campus, so you have a lot of students that commute and things. So fortunately, you do have incidents where people steal cars, so this is some sort of security system.
No.
So now if you didn't have the card, you would have to probably pay a fee, and they're going to check your papers and make sure the car isn't stolen. Straight ahead is a very nice building. A subscriber had actually, because we had asked what this building was used for in a previous video, and somebody actually told us it's a part of the university campus, but I don't remember now what that building. Well, it says UWI regional headquarters, so maybe it's an administrative building, because UWI operates in I think 2 other Caribbean countries. They have a campus in Trinidad and they have a campus in Barbados. I think they have a campus or a satellite office in Montego Bay, Jamaica too, but UWI is one of the, what do you say, it's one of the top universities in the world, and I believe we should have maybe 2 more campuses in Jamaica. Maybe not as large as this one, the Mona one, but have a full campus in Montego Bay so persons on the western end of the island can get access to this kind of education. Also have one in Mandeville or somewhere in the middle of the island so that you can educate more people. I mean, I know it costs money, yes, but persons pay to attend the school and the government subsidizes the tuition. So can you imagine if you had a campus offering everything? Maybe the UWI campus can take in 1,000 doctors in a cohort, but you have a campus in Montego Bay that can take in 500. That is 500 more people that get a chance to go to university. I don't know, that's just what I'm thinking. Build more campuses for UWI. It is the #1 school in Jamaica. It's recognized the world over. So build more campuses. I mean, you could always expand this one, but the space up there is kind of limited, and I think it would be so much nicer if you had a UWI full campus, not just 1 or 2, a full campus in the western part of Jamaica and the middle of Jamaica. I think it would definitely be a step forward. But as we said, there are costs associated with it, but that definitely would be nice. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.